Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to connect Hostinger domain to your Shopify store. First, let us list what you need. You need a Hostinger account with a domain already active. You need a Shopify store on at least the basic plan. You need login access to both dashboards. That is all. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side of your screen, look for the Settings option and click on it. From the Settings menu, select Domains. Now, click on the button that says Connect Existing Domain. A box will appear asking you to type in your domain name. Type your full domain name exactly as it is, using only lowercase letters, and do not include HTTP or HTTPS. After typing your domain, click the Next button. Shopify will now get ready to connect your domain. It will display the DNS settings that you need to update in your Hostinger account. That's all you need to do to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify.